In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out on Temu. Let's start right at the beginning. Open the Temu website in your browser, or launch the Temu app if you have it installed. If a region selector or a welcome pop-up appears, choose the option that matches your location and close any promotional overlays so you can see the main storefront. From here, you can browse featured categories or use the search bar to quickly find a specific item. When you've landed on a product page you like, take a moment to review the details. Look over the photos, description, available sizes or colors, and check the estimated delivery window so you know when to expect your package. It's also helpful to scan recent reviews for sizing notes or quality feedback. Once you're confident about the choice, select any required options like size or color, adjust the quantity if needed, and then click Add to Cart. You should see a confirmation that the item was added successfully. Next, open your cart. On desktop, the cart icon is usually at the top right. On mobile, it's often at the bottom. Inside the cart, review every item carefully. Make sure variations such as size, color, and quantity are correct. If you change your mind, you can remove an item or adjust the quantity right here. This is also a great place to check your order's subtotal, shipping estimates, and any discounts. If you have coupons or credits available in your account, look for an area to apply them before moving forward so you lock in the best price. When everything looks good, click Checkout. This takes you to Temu's secure checkout page. Here, confirm your delivery address and ensure your contact details are accurate to avoid delays. If multiple shipping options are offered, choose the one that best balances cost and speed for you. Then review your payment method. Whether you're using a card, a digital wallet, or another supported option, double-check the billing information and make sure it matches your payment account to prevent verification issues. Before you proceed, scan the order summary one more time. Verify item count, variations, applied discounts, and the final total, including shipping and taxes. If a promotion didn't apply as expected, you can usually edit the cart or re-enter a code from this page. That's it. By going to Temu, adding your item to the cart, opening your cart to review, and clicking Checkout to finalize details, you've moved smoothly through the purchasing flow and are ready to complete your order with